changing the hydraulic fluid on this Allis Chalmers wd45. The fluid is full, but I recently bought this tractor and I have no idea how long this fluid has been in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. So down here, this bolt is the drain plug, so I'll get that taken out. Hopefully this doesn't make too much of a mess. Ooh, it's tight. Oh yeah, it needed changed. A lot of junk. You can kind of see it all right there. Looks like there is quite a bit of metal on that. Those cams might be wearing out a little bit, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Alright. It's looking a lot better. You can actually see the magnets now. And then it almost appears as if it's just a bunch of anti-seize, because it's like the same color. So I don't know, because I didn't see any on the threads. Alright, it's kind of now just down to a little drip, so I'm going to go ahead and put this plug back in it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flush this hydraulic system out with some diesel. It's in a gas can, but don't mind that. So basically the diesel kind of helped break up that stuff. So I'll fill that up. It's a 1.5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. So I'm gonna top this off. I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know, probably 15 minutes or so. And I'll go ahead and drain it out again. And then we'll put in hydraulic fluid after that. So I forgot to bring a funnel, so we'll just try to see how this goes. Hopefully I don't spill too much of it. Went ahead and filled up the hydraulic system with diesel, so we're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and drain this out. All right, we got the diesel drained out. So we're gonna go ahead and put this plug back in it. Okay, so this is the oil we're gonna be using. I've seen a lot of forums that people just say just run 20 or 30 weight motor oil. But I decided to use the modern stuff. So this takes 1.5 gallons. So we got that full, and we're gonna go ahead and start up the tractor and extend the rams, and then we'll get a true reading on it. That's gonna do it for this video of changing the hydraulic fluid in an Allis Chalmers wd45. Thank you for watching.